Hello students, welcome to English class, and today we are going to start a new chapter from your book Moments. Your supplementary book Moment is there and you have completed 2 chapters. Third is not in your syllabus, so we are going to start the 4th chapter and its name is In the Kingdom of Fools. Kingdom of Fools, its name is Fools, you understand, stupid people. So ऐसा राज्य जहाँ पे फूल्स रहते हैं, किंगडम, उनका किंगडम. सो दिस इज अ कन्नड़ा folk tale. Kannada, this is a language in our country, and this story has been taken from a book that is a folk tale of India written by A.K. Ramanujan. So this is a very interesting story, many humorous points you will find and you will definitely enjoy it. So let's begin it. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. It is said that fools are very dangerous, means you cannot guess that what they will do, what will come to their mind and what wrong steps they will take, and such kind of fools or fool people can only be managed by the wise people, intellectual people, बुद्धिमान लोगों के द्वारा. Who are the fools in the story? Who are the fools in the story? We will read it, and what happens to them, it will be the content of the story. So let's begin it. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the ministers were idiot. Means there was a kingdom and it was the kingdom of fools, and both king and the ministers were idiots. यानी कि राजा और उसके ministers जो थे वो दोनों ही idiots थे. They didn't want to run things like other kings, and what came to their mind that they will not run their kingdom in others way, जैसे कि दूसरे लोग, दूसरे राजा राज करते हैं, वो उस तरीके से अपना राज्य नहीं चलाएंगे. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. What a foolish decision taken by them. उन्होंने ये घोषणा कर दी कि अब रात को दिन से चेंज कर दिया जाए और दिन को रात में. It means they ordered that everyone should be awake at night. मतलब हर आदमी रात को जगा रहेगा, till their fields and run their businesses only after dark. Till their fields, here the word is till means cultivation, farming, यानी कि जो फार्मिंग का काम है वो लोग रात को ही करेंगे, and they will run their businesses. रन देयर बिजनेसेस का मतलब अपने जितने भी बिजनेस हैं, जो भी काम धंधे हैं, वो सारे रात में करेंगे, एंड गो टू बेड as soon as the sun came up. Means with the rise of sun with the rise of sun they all will go to sleep, go to bed. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. और किसी ने भी अगर उसकी इस आज्ञा का पालन नहीं किया, इस नियम का पालन नहीं किया, तो उसको डेथ पेनल्टी दे दी जाएगी, उसको मौत की सजा दे दी जाएगी. द पीपल डिड एज दे वर टोल्ड फॉर फियर ऑफ डेथ. मीन्स एवरीबडी was forced to follow. The king and the minister were delighted means were very happy at the success of their project. Means whatever project they have made for the people of that kingdom, it was successful, and both king and minister were very happy. One day a guru means a saint, in an intellectual person, एक इंटेलेक्चुअल बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति, एंड हिज डिसाइपल मीन्स उनका जो चेला था, जो उनका शिष्य था, अराइव्ड इन द सिटी. इट वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल सिटी, इट वॉज ब्रॉड डे लाइट, बट देयर वॉज नो वन अबाउट. मीन्स when Guru and his disciples saw the city, they appreciated it because it was very beautiful. It was broad daylight, but what was the strange thing? There was no one about. Means वहां पर कोई भी उनको दिखाई नहीं दिया. Why? Because they came during the day, and it was the rule that during the day all people will sleep only, they will not do any business. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse steering. Mouse steering, even कि एक चूहा भी नहीं दिख रहा था कहीं भी हिलता डुलता. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. Means people have taught their cattle, buffaloes, their cows and other animals, they trained them to sleep during the day. The two strangers were amazed. Amazed means अचंभित थे. They were flabbergasted by what they saw around them. Means whatever they saw, they were very surprised and wandered around town till evening. शाम तक वो उस पूरे टाउन में घूमते रहे. When suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. Means in the evening when sun sets, they all woke up and started their business. The two men were hungry. Not that the shops were open. Now that the shops were open, दोनों लोगों को बड़ी भूख लगी थी. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. Groceries means eatable items, खाने पीने की चीजें. So yes, they went to the shops to purchase groceries, eatable items. To their astonishment means again they were very surprised. Why they were surprised? They found that everything cost the same. A single dudu. हर चीज की कीमत वहां पर एक जैसी थी और it was a single dudu. Dudu means करेंसी, सिक्का. जैसे आज के समय में हम लोग रुपया होता है, पहले पैसा होता था, तो उस समय वो एक सिक्का वहां की करेंसी थी. और कोई भी चीज आप खरीदिए उसकी कॉस्ट सेम, एंड इट कॉस्ट ओनली सिंगल डूडू. वेदर दे बॉट अ मेजर ऑफ राइस, चाहे वो एक बोरा राइस खरीदे और अ बंच ऑफ बनानाज, और बनाना का एक पूरा बंच खरीद ले, इट कॉस्ट अ डूडू. मीन्स इसकी कीमत एक जैसी थी. द गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल वर डिलाइटेड. दे हैड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग लाइक दिस. ऐसा उन्होंने कभी सुना ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है कि सब चीज की कीमत एक जैसी हो. दे कुड बाय ऑल द फूड दे वॉन्टेड फॉर अ रूपी. एक रुपए में वो जो कुछ चाहें वो खरीद सकते थे. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. After eating food, when they were satisfied, when they quenched their hunger, Guru, who was intellectual person, he realized that this kingdom is a kingdom of foolish people. Fools are there here. So he said that it would not be better to stay here any longer. This is no place for us. Let's go. And what he said, ये उनके रहने की जगह नहीं हो सकती, आओ यहां से चलते हैं. He said to his disciple. But the disciple didn't want to leave the place. लेकिन उनका जो चेला था वो जगह वो उस जगह को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता था. Everything was cheap here, क्योंकि हर चीज सस्ती थी. All he wanted was good cheap food. वो एक पेटू टाइप का व्यक्ति था, एंड उसको क्या चाहिए था? खाना चाहिए था, और वो उसको सस्ते में वहां पर मिल रहा था. The Guru said, yes, the Guru said, they are all fools. This won't last you long and you can't tell what they will do to you next. वो गुरु ने बताया, उसको समझाया कि ये सभी फूल्स हैं और आगे ये तुम्हारे साथ क्या कर देंगे ये कोई कह नहीं सकता, तुम भी नहीं बता सकते. सो इट्स बेटर टू लीव दिस प्लेस. नेक्स्ट हम अपने अगले वीडियो में करेंगे.